Dear friends, today we start a new topic in ninth standard in mathematics part 2. Our first chapter is basic concepts in geometry. We know some concepts are so basic we learn up to 8th standard, that is point, line and plane. We do not give any definition of that concepts, but only we understood what is point. When we put a pen on paper, then we get a figure that is called point, and we indicate any letter A to Z, that is, this figure is called point A. In this way, this figure is called point B, etc. Now, what is line? Actually, line means we learn about a straight line. We draw here a line. When we say this is line, when we indicate these two arrows on both sides, then we know this figure is called a line. Arrow means this line is infinite on both sides. We read it in this way, that is line L. We give the name of that line here. Also, we give 2 points A, B. Then we write line AB in this way. And what is plane? Plane, actually a plane surface. This board is also plane surface, so it is called a plane. So we indicate a plane in this way. We give a name of that plane is, that is plane H. Actually, this plane is stretch all sides, increasing all sides. Then we always indicate a plane from that 3 points. This board is also called a plane. This wall is also called a plane. This ground surface is also called a plane. In our classroom, there are so many planes. Only to learn about that plane is we indicate a 3 points. Suppose we draw a box. Here I take this point, this and this. Look carefully, this is a plane. I take these 3 points. It indicates a ground plane. In this way, suppose we take this point. Can you say from that these 3 we draw any plane? Yes. How? In this way. This is called also a plane. So friends, today we learn about these 3 concepts, that is point, line and plane. Thank you. मित्रांनो, आज आपल्याला बिटवीननेस हा टॉपिक समजून घ्यायचा आहे. काय असतं बिटवीननेस? बिटवीननेस म्हणजे दोघांमध्ये एक पॉइंट असणे. इफ P, Q, R are 3 डिस्टिंक्ट कोलिनियर पॉईंट. हे 3 पॉईंट आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत वेगवेगळे आणि एक रेषीय. म्हणजे या फिगरप्रमाणे त्यांच्या 3 कंडिशन येऊ शकतात. एक तर क्यू पी आणि आरच्या मध्ये असू शकतो, किंवा पॉईंट आर हा पी आणि क्यू या पॉईंटच्या मध्ये असू शकतो, किंवा पॉईंट पी हा आर आणि क्यू या पॉईंटच्या बिटवीन असू शकतो. या 3 पॉसिबिलिटी येऊ शकतात. मग आपल्याला हे कसं कन्सिडर करायचं त्याच्यासाठी एक ट्रिक दिलेली आहे, ती या 2 ओळींमधनं समजून घ्या. इफ डिस्टन्स पी क्यू प्लस डिस्टन्स क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू डिस्टन्स पी आर, then it is said that the point Q is between point P and point R. Here distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. Then we always says that R is between P and Q. Same way, in third figure, suppose distance R and P plus distance P and Q is equal to distance R and Q. Then the point P is in between point R and Q. Betweenness is shown as this symbol, that is P dash Q dash R for figure first. For that, how you write P dash R dash Q? From this figure, R dash P dash Q. So Q is between P and R. In this way, we take an example. In that, distance A and B is equal to 5, distance B and C is equal to 11, and distance A and C is equal to 6. So which of the point between other two? For that, first of all, we draw a figure. Here AB is 5, AB is 5, BC 11, BC 11, 5 plus 6, and AC 6. Therefore, our first condition, distance BC 11. This is first condition. Now next, distance AB plus distance AC is equal to 5 plus 6, that is 11. This is second condition. So from first and second, we get distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC. So here A is common, therefore point A is between point B and C. या प्रकारे आपण याच्यासारखे अनेक उदाहरणं सोडवू शकतो. आपण आता एक्सरसाइज मधली काही उदाहरणं घरी सोडवू शकतात आणि तुम्ही मला ते क्लासरूमला पाठवू शकतात. थँक्यू. आपण 2 टर्म्स शिकणार आहोत, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स and distance. What is coordinates of points? We learn actually a number line. On number line there are so many numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. We look in figure, there are A, B, C, O, D and E, etc. The coordinate of point A is represent point -5. The coordinate of B is -3. The coordinate of C is -2. Coordinate of O is 0. Coordinate of D is 1. Coordinate of E is 3. In this way, some people says -5 represents point A, -3 represent point B, -2 represent point C, 0 represent O, 1 represent point D, 3 represent point E. In this way. Now distance, how you calculate the distance? Look here, a question is distance D and E is equal to what? First of all, we write the coordinate of this D is 1. The coordinate of E is 3. Which is bigger from this? 3 is bigger than 1. So the formula is distance D and E is equal to bigger minus smaller, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. So distance D and E is always 2. Or distance E and D, we replace it, is also 2, because here also 3 is bigger, 1 is smaller. By formula bigger minus smaller, then 3 minus 1 always 2. Therefore distance DE is equal to distance ED, or it is equal to length DE. बघा आपल्याला सहज कळतं की इथून मुंबईपर्यंतचं अंतर आणि मुंबईहून इथपर्यंतचं अंतर दोन्ही सारखेच असतात. यावरनं आपल्याला लक्षात येतं की डिस्टन्स हे केव्हाही पॉझिटिव्ह असतं. तर आपण आज या दोन टर्म शिकलो आहोत, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉईंट्स अँड डिस्टन्स. याच्यावरचे क्वेश्चन्स मी तुम्हाला नंतर टाकेनच. थँक्यू.